Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to get a fuel at COSTCO. It's very easy process. Once you have your COSTCO membership card and debit card, you're good to go. And if you have CIBC MasterCard, if you have a COSTCO executive membership, you will get a MasterCard, which will make your process super simple. So let me go on with, if you have COSTCO simple membership and debit card, you just go to the pump. You first insert your membership, let the pump recognize your membership, then pay with the debit card, because you won't be able to use Visa at COSTCO. So make sure you don't bring Visa. You make sure you have debit card, any debit card, no Visa, just MasterCard accepted at COSTCO pump. Yeah, then once your turn arrives, you pull up card near to the pump. Then, as I said, first insert your membership card, let the pump recognize you are the member, then pay with the debit card, then select then remove take nozzle, and then select grade, and you are good to go. So here in this video, people are getting fuel to their cars, and it will be very easy if you have a MasterCard, the CIBC COSTCO MasterCard, which is for executive members, which I am using, which is super convenient and lot of benefits. So if you have that MasterCard, you just tap, remove nozzle, and select grade, and you're good to go. That's all simple.